Hello, eighth graders. Like I told you, I'd be gone today, so I want to make a quick video so you knew what to do. Um, First things first, you're going to come into Schoology, open the subfolder, put a little README here. I'll go over it, and you'll have this video. So first, check all your grades. I went through any of your safety stuff that isn't in yet and put a 0 in there so you knew what you had to do. Same with any of your discussions. Same with your cars if they aren't turned in, and same with your solo catapults. So get all the zeros out of the grade book first. Do today's daily discussion. Get that turned in as well. So you're going to start with checking the grade book, getting zeros out of there. Once you do them, the 0 doesn't go away. I have to come back and change that, so don't get hung up on that. Once those are turned in, you're going to, like I said, team up with a partner to make one final catapult design, and both partners have to turn it in. So you may have to go get an iPad to take pictures of it. Ask Mrs. Cooper so you can do that. All right. Um, After you do your uh, labeled catapult for your individual and team, I also put something in there so some of you may get done. There's 3 videos here. There's how to make a star, a loft, and a pattern. Those are 3 different things that can be done on 123D design. So once you finish those items and no zeros in your gradebook, then you're going to work on these videos and post your finished product to each of those by either taking a picture with your iPad and posting it, or um, take a snip or a screenshot with the 123D design camera option. So that is the list of things to do, and hand in everything as you go. All right. Thanks for your hard work. Have a good day. Be nice.